In today's video we talk about split element. What is split element, how and how we use it in Revit architecture. Let's start. Take a wall. Suppose I have this wall. Create any size of the wall. Now I have to split this wall or to cut this wall. I have to split this wall or to cut this wall. To cut this wall, basically I have to go to modify tools. Here there is split element. You can split element. Use there is split element. Okay, it will split in two parts. Suppose I have this wall. I have to paint this wall. Okay, and then go in paint. Basically why we use split element I will show you. Suppose this color, paint it. Now you will see the whole wall is painted by the same color, but I want to paint half of the wall with different color. So for that reason we have to do split element. Suppose take split element, split here. Okay, you will see the wall is splitted in two parts. Now if you select the paint, if you want to paint the wall, suppose I want to paint this wall in different color, you will see the wall has been painted by different color. Okay, you can individually you can split it. Basically you want to split horizontally, you can split here, you can split here. See, the wall has been splitted in many parts. Now you can paint the wall. Suppose I have to paint this wall this color. See, different color. By splitting this wall you can use color in different. Now let me see. Suppose we have to split the wall. For example, let's go in 3D. We have to split this from here to here. We have to split. So this inner segment, delete inner segment. Use this to delete the inner segment. Suppose from here to here I want to delete. If you click delete inner segment, you will delete the element. Okay, suppose you want to put window here, it will be deleted. Okay, in this way you can use the split element as per your requirement. Thank you for watching today's video.